Union KY. This deck had extreme sun damage everywhere. I mean, the boards were cracked. We had big gaps, mildew growth, all that stuff. Come in here.
Yeah, that's fine.
This was altogether, I think, a 2.5 day process of locking all this sun damaged wood down with elastomer. It turned out beautiful. They're bringing up the tables and stuff like that to get it up here for the customer before we leave. Hey Josh, was this painless?
Painless.
How many days? 2.5?
2.5.
You're happy?
Extremely happy.
Thank you. You heard it right there. Elastomer is the way to go to protect your deck. This guy's extremely happy because this deck was destroyed, and we come in here and we fix this. It's insanely beautiful now. The great thing is he's got a lifetime service promise with us. Okay, he can access service if he does have damage. He has something like that goes on. He can access service for the lifetime of his deck. It's affordable service. He has warranty, and a beautiful strong deck. I'm trying to get out of these guys' ways so we can get all this furniture up here. He had a lot of deck furniture. We're trying to bring it back up. He's going to have to stay off the deck for 3 days. From days 3 to 7, light usage. This was that barn red deck I showed you guys before. Look at this. Look how beautiful that turned out, man. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? From that old barn red, that old barn, wore down barn looking red deck, to this beautiful coffee deck. It's a coffee color deck. The checking on the post. There's so many guys moving around and doing things right now that it's hard for me to do this video, but I wanted it to be sincere. The checking on the post. We had really big gaps here. We filled all these in. Some of them were a little big. We have not coating, but an elastomer filler and an epoxy filler that we use on these larger gaps in supporting post. It's actually called checking, and we fill those in. It just depends on how big they are. Sometimes we'll use an elastomer, and then other times we'll use an epoxy. But all this, it turned out really, really beautiful. My customer is happy. So this was 2 visits. It wasn't a huge burden on him. We were in and out in 2 visits, done. He's extremely happy. I'm extremely happy at how this deck turned out. And I'm gonna show you guys some pictures after this video, or check on the Facebook page. Either or, they'll be up on the site soon. Beautiful, beautiful deal. Kong Armor is the toughest, most versatile deck paint system with lifetime service that's available anywhere in the world. Think about that right now. We don't know of any deck painters on the planet Earth besides Kong Armor that offer continued service to their clients. None. Right? None. So essentially, when you break it down to raw form, we're the best in the world right now. See you later.